gives shelter to all living things. We all live on the earth, so earth is our home. It is a very big home for all the creatures such as human beings, animals, and plants. Shape and appearance of the earth. Have you ever been to a hill station and observed the earth from the top of the hill? How did it appear? It seems to be just flat. Long ago, people used to think that the earth is flat. They were afraid to travel far. They feared that they might fall down from the edge. In fact, the earth is like a huge ball. It seems flat because of its large size. To go around it once, we have to travel about 40,000 kilometers. About 500 years ago, in 1519, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, proved this by starting a long voyage from Spain in the east direction. His ships landed in Spain after 3 years. So, it was proved that Earth is round in shape. If you stand at a high level, you will see the sky meeting the earth. You can see the ocean and the sky meet together at a far-off place at longer distance. This place where the land and sky appear to meet is called horizon. But in reality, they do not meet. The photos of the earth, which were taken from the satellite, clearly showed that the earth is round. Though earth is round in shape, both the ends of the earth are flattened just like those of an orange. The centers of these flattened ends are called North Pole and South Pole. Surface of the earth. The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. We can see mountains, valleys, deserts, hills, rocks, plains, rivers, lakes, oceans, forests, deserts, and many other things on the earth. All living things need water and air to live. The surface of the earth is divided into two main parts, namely land and water. About 1/4 of the earth's surface is covered by land. The remaining 3/4 is covered with water. The atmosphere. Everyone knows that the earth is surrounded by air. This layer of air is called the earth's atmosphere. It extends up to a height of about 1,000 kilometers. The earth's atmosphere applies pressure on our bodies, but we do not feel this pressure. There is air inside our body also. Thus, the outside pressure is balanced by the inside pressure of the air. This layer of atmosphere gives protection to our earth. It protects us from the heat and cold during day and night. It is just like a roof of our house. The sky and heavenly bodies. If you look up, you can see the sky, which appears blue, but in fact, it has no color. You can see the sun during daytime. There are 8 planets, including the earth, which move around the sun in fixed paths called orbits. If you look at the sky at night, you can see the moon and innumerable stars. In fact, the sun is also a huge star. All these are called heavenly bodies. The universe, including the earth, all the heavenly bodies, the innumerable stars, the planets which go around the sun, and the satellites which go round the planets, and the asteroids together form the universe. The following questions. Why Earth is a suitable planet for all the living beings. Our Earth is a suitable planet for living things because it has both air and water which are essential to live. Who was Ferdinand Magellan? Ferdinand Magellan was a Portuguese sailor. He proved that the earth is round by sailing east. What is horizon? Horizon is the place where the earth and sky seem to meet. What is called atmosphere? The layer of air which surrounds earth is called atmosphere. What is the earth made up of? The earth is made up of solid mass. Its surface is covered with land and water. And F for following.